Want a YouTube channel that makes money while you sleep without showing your face? In the next 8 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to harness ChatGPT to build a high-earning, faceless YouTube channel. Start to finish. No fluff, just profit. The opportunity ChatGPT search interest for YouTube use has skyrocketed nearly 100x in the past year. Faceless channels grew by 7,700% and automation by 481%. This is the winning formula. These channels cost less, scale faster, and sidestep on-camera anxiety. 2. Step 1. Niche and topic selection use. ChatGPT prompt. List 5 untapped faceless YouTube niches that are monetizable, then refine with search volume and competition. Examples: finance tips, AI tools, tutorials, productivity hacks. 3. Step 2. Scripting with ChatGPT. AI prompt. Write a 6-minute script teaching your topic that's clear, professional, and includes 3 action steps. ChatGPT outputs structured intro, 3-5 tips, concluding CTA. Like, subscribe, check the description for my free AI checklist. 4. Step 3. Voiceover and visuals use TTS, e.g. Murph 11 Labs, to narrate script. Visuals: royalty-free footage, animations, stock infographics. Pro tip: keep on-screen text short and punchy. And 5. Step 4. Upload an SEO title. ChatGPT tutorial for faceless YouTubers. Earn passive income. Description: use 2 to 3 key phrases from ChatGPT. Timestamps. Link to free checklist. Tags: ChatGPT YouTube, faceless channel, passive income YouTube. 6. Step 5. Monetization strategy. Enable AdSense once eligible. Add affiliate links, AI tools, voiceover services. Offer a downloadable checklist and collect emails with a simple sign-up form. 7. Step 6. Scale and automate use. ChatGPT batch. Generate scripts weekly. Stick to your calendar. Outsource voiceovers and editing via Fiverr or Upwork for under $50 video. Build a channel template. Intro, outro, thumbnails, and end screens. Create. Call to action plus final hook. On screen, start your faceless empire. Voiceover. So, are you in? Apply this formula. Niche plus script plus automation. Passive revenue. Subscribe for weekly AI for business guides and hit the bell so you don't miss the next video. Bonus if you want 500 plus ChatGPT prompt. Comment GPT and subscribe.